Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. Today is Forex beginner lesson 7. So in today's lesson, I'll be teaching you how to always stick with long-term information. And how do you get long-term information? You get it using long-term or high time frame. So in this case, this is Audi USD. We are on daily time frame. So it is very clear. On daily time frame, we have a what? An inverted. We have an inverted head and shoulder. So it is very clear. You can see the shoulder, and then the market dropped, making the head. And then now we have the shoulder breaking out. Okay, we have the making of the shoulder. And then now we have buyers breaking the neckline. This alone is to tell us that this pattern has to complete. So how do we know the target if we get into this buy, or where is our take profit? Our take profit is measuring the size of the head to the shoulder. That's how we measure inverted head and shoulder. And then that's where this market is going. So Audi USD is on a buy, but I don't know why many people feel so entitled to say, oh, this market is a sell. Kindly don't mistake retracement with the trend or the pattern that the market has given you. The market, the market has a pattern of inverted head and shoulder, and we know that the pattern has to complete. So this market has to reach around here. So they reached the half of this, and then the market started to do the retracement. So if you want to get involved on this market, you don't get involved on daily, because you don't have the bigger picture, unless you just enter and then you put take profit and you hold. But you can go to lower time frame like 4 hour to now see what is that is making me to get in. Today's lesson, I want to teach you how to combine daily time frame or a pattern that you have seen that is promoting buy. Now we want a pattern on 4 hour. Sorry. We want a pattern on 4 hour that is telling us that we need to buy. Again, we can see that when the market broke around this place, it was almost touching our TP. But what did they do? They broke up. We had the BOS here. And what was confirmed? BWA was confirmed. So whenever this market was going down, I knew we are on deep retracement. So the market would do a deep retracement, and then now we'll go back. So don't be fooled by this deep retracement thinking the market is forming either a possible double top. No. We always concentrate with the first pattern that you always have. So if you come here and try to see, oh, this is a possible double top, for instance, that's what many people are seeing, possible double top. So you can come here and say you have a possible double top. If you measure half, let's try and measure half of it, you can see you'll be waiting for the market to tap here, and it will never reach here. Why? They will work with this inverted head and shoulder. So let's work with the first pattern that we have. Don't be fooled by this. And maybe if you can measure the distance of the half to this, because there is a way you can even work with half of the half. Let's try to work with half of the half. You can see that's where the market is. So I don't want to be blinded with the second pattern inside the same zone. Let me work with my inverted head and shoulder. Now, this strategy is what I told you guys. I got BWA, this strategy, when I was fasting. The second day, God gave me this strategy of BWA, how to maneuver the market, either selling. You can take advantage, selling on a retracement, or buying. What is that you're supposed to check? The market, the initial stands for break, wait, and action. So it involves a market where you have to see the break and you can tell what kind of a retracement you are. So this BWA, I still feel that I need to preserve it for my students and for those who apply for my mentorship or join my mentorship, so that at the time they are coming, they have something unique that I'm teaching them. I've already taught about WBB. I've taught about so many strategies, ABM. All those strategies are out there for free. But BWA strategies, for those who have been in my class and you're watching this video, you can comment down and you can let people know that in the class, this is the last strategy I teach people. And I won't be coming here to tell everyone why, because I am here trying to teach people, and still people, they don't appreciate. So this strategy, the BWA, that tells us that market will deep retrace, it is a strategy that I still use. So that being said, the market has inverted head and shoulder and it will touch our TP. Now let's go to 4 hours and I'll give you the signal of this. Don't pay attention on the strategy, or I'm not telling you the strategy. I'm here to teach you on other things. Market is very, very huge. We can still learn together. But if you want BWA to know what really happens with that strategy, you have to get in my mentorship. So let's go to 4 hour. Let's go to 4 hour and see what we have. In the 4 hour time frame, remember, daily we have inverted head and shoulder. And this is how on 4 hour it looks like. The inverted, what we are seeing. This is what we have on 4 hour. Inverted, and in the daily it's being seen clearly. Inverted head and shoulder. I hope everyone can see it. And then now when you go to 4 hour time frame, because even it is being seen, we might have a possible double bottom. Now this double bottom is promoting that continuation of buy until that place around here. So what we do, we have a possible double bottom. The first thing I have measured is the half. I have a neckline there. I have measured this half and I've gotten it around here. And again, we have the way to get involved with a possible double bottom on 4 hour is different with daily. I'll do that video. So all you do, guys, if you're watching AUD, kindly put a resistance zone here, and as it breaks, you can buy this market and go all the way. You can buy and go all the way, because according to head and shoulder, this market is buying. You see, that's our head and shoulder. That's our head and shoulder. It's reaching around here. So you can buy all the way up to the green line. So if you want to trade, and this is the difference, this is where the difference comes in. If you're only looking at 4 hour, there is no way you can buy all the way up to here. If you're checking 4 hour time frame, you will buy up to the half, wait it breaks, you buy to the neckline, wait it breaks, you get into this zone. But daily time frame, it's telling you you're working with an inverted head and shoulder. You can buy from here to here. So that's the difference. If you work with this pattern, it is step by step. When it breaks here, buy up to here. If it breaks here, buy to here. If it breaks here, buy all the way. But with the inverted head and shoulder on daily, it is giving us permission. Once we get in, buy all the way, because that's the distance. I don't know if you're getting. That's why I always tell people the pattern that you're using, it all depends with the time frame. So for how we are supported to buy, but wait until they break this resistance. And then when you get on this buy, go all the way to 69. Let your take profit be 6,900. And then I'll come back to see if it did what we have said. So thank you so much. Today I've given you free signal. AUD/USD is still a buy. Don't be fooled if the market is still going down. Why? Because we are on a long-term buy according to daily inverted head and shoulder. Thank you so much, and I love you. Bye-bye.